What? Did they just list these 10 awesome street rods for sale this cheap? No way! Hey everybody in YouTube land, welcome back to my channel American Rodder, and I hope you enjoy these videos, and if you do, please like, subscribe, and share. Please remember that the links to each car can be found in the description, so if you want to check them out, go to the description, click on the link, and it should take you straight to the car unless it has been sold. Sometimes at these prices, these cars will not stay around long. Okay, here's today's comment challenge. What was the car that you regret the most of having to get rid of? And why did you have to sell it? Drop that in the comments. Keep it short and simple, just a couple of sentences, and we'll see what everybody's got. Okay, let's get into the video with number 1. 1950 Ford Street Rod. $15,000 is what they're asking for it. Listed about an hour ago in Vail, North Carolina. Now this auto has been driven 900 miles since it's been built. Has automatic transmission. The exterior color is purple and the interior color is black. It's in good condition with a clean title. Very important project car. It's a 318 engine and transmission out from a Dodge Monarch. Supposed to be rebuilt and never ran since rebuilt. This is a very nice rat hot rod with awesome potential. New tires, new paint, new woodwork, digital dolphin gauges, custom frame, but will need finishing. Needs the following: the drive shaft shortened and install the wiring harness. The glass has been installed, interior finished, steering box mounted and steering box installed. Everything is here to finish the truck, all but the steering rod, brake lines, and door glass. Has a new wiring harness with a fuse box and packaging still. New door pops. New in the box electric window kit. New brake booster already installed. New starter, new aluminum pulley kit. New sending unit in the box. New lights installed already. New aluminum radiator. New aluminum intake. New 750 carburetor. And new MSD ignition. 15,000 or partial trade, or will consider trades for muscle cars only. Number 2, this is a 1927 rat rod listed for $17,500 and was listed about 8 weeks ago in Panama City, Florida. It's been driven 2,555 miles since being built. It's got automatic transmission. The exterior color is black. The interior color is black. Seller's description goes as the following. I am relisting my 1927 Pontiac for sale. It has a 383 Stoker in it with a 700R automatic transmission and a new 4-link and a Mustang 2 front end. Old school wire wheels with good tires and a brand new fuel tank. He also has the original title from 1927, believe it or not, and the original side glass with all the original hardware. Seller says he can send a video of her running if you would prefer to see one, and also the frame has been boxed in for $17,500. Number 3, this is a 1927 Ford T listed for $12,500 about 11 weeks ago in Moorhead, Kentucky. The mileage is not listed, but however it does have a manual transmission. The exterior color is white. The interior color is brown. Seller does the following description. 1927 model Ford has a 4-cylinder Ranger engine, 2.3, with a 4-speed transmission, has a newer Mustang front end under it, and it has a rack and pinion. The interior has been redone, and it starts right up and runs like a new one. Price is firm. Won't find one as clean as this one. Number 4, 1931 Ford pickup listed for $12,500 only just 18 hours ago in Florence, Alabama. The car's been driven 31,000 miles since being built. Has an automatic transmission. The exterior color is brown. Has a clean title, and this vehicle has no significant damage or problems. Seller's description is that it's a 31 model Ford rat rod. Has a 331 Hemi and a Torque Flight automatic transmission. Has an Avery tractor grille, full custom built chassis, straight axle front, and forward-linked rear end. Runs and drives, all lights work, and is street legal. Number 5. 1931 Ford Model A listed for $15,000 only just a day ago in Blue Springs, Mississippi. It doesn't have any mileage listed, but it does have automatic transmission. Exterior, the color is gray, and the interior color is red. Seller listed as having a clean title with no significant damage or problems. Just needs a good paint job on it. Seller's description says that he's posting this for a friend. Message him and he'll give you his name and number. He says no problems. It is a great driver and very road worthy. And don't forget, you can find the links to these cars in the description. Each car is listed with its own link if you're trying to find these cars on the internet. Number 6. This is a 1929 Ford Model A listed for $19,000 just 11 weeks ago in Mattoon, Illinois. It's been driven 300 miles since its build. Has automatic transmission. The exterior color is turquoise. The interior color is tan. Owner listed as having a clean title with no significant damage or problems. His description is as follows. It's a 1929 Ford Model A steel body Ford. The interior is not finished up completely yet. Has a Ford 289 engine, coil over shocks, AOD Ford transmission, a 9-inch Ford posi traction rear end with 3.50 gears. He's posting it for his father, and the vehicle is located in Mattoon, Illinois. Message him with reasonable offers. He doesn't want any trades. Number 7. This is a 1937 Oldsmobile Coupe listed for $18,500 just 18 hours ago in Springville, Alabama. It's been driven 300 miles since its build. Transmission is automatic. Exterior color is blue. Seller's description is as follows. It's a 1937 Olds Coupe with a 350 engine with a 700 R4 automatic transmission. It's driven 300 miles since being rebuilt. Also, he might take trades in on it, but the trade value has to be higher than what he's asking for the car. Still though, overall it's a beautiful car, and probably one of the best ones. I think this is probably going to be my favorite for the night. Don't forget once again that to all the cars that are listed in the videos tonight, you can find the links to those cars in the description. Just go over there and check them out and click on the link and it'll take you straight to these cars. Number 8. 1941 Pontiac 2-door Coupe listed at $17,500 2 weeks ago in Barnesville, Georgia. It's been driven approximately 1,100 miles since its build. Has automatic transmission. The exterior is burgundy. The interior color is tan. Seller's description is as follows. 1941 Pontiac Street Rod has all updated wiring. All lights work, including LED turn signals, front and rear. Rebuilt 350 engine with aluminum heads. Automatic transmission. Has air conditioning plus heat. Has power rack and pinion steering. Mustang 2 type front suspension. And the seller says it's one of the solidest 41s you'll find. He hasn't seen any rust on it anywhere. This car was built in the early 2000s. He said that the paint is faded a little bit in some spots, but the body is straight and it runs and drives fantastic. Just needs a little tender loving care and a good home. $17,500 with a clear Georgia title. Number 9. 1937 Mercedes-Benz Custom Street Rod listed for only $9,900 about 13 hours ago in Brookville, Florida. Mileage is unlisted, but it does have an automatic transmission. The exterior color is red, the interior color is red, and the seller describes it as the following. 1937 Mercedes Custom, sell or trade. He doesn't know the history of the car. Has been sitting inside storage for many years, but was told it was running 3 years ago, but currently it is not. Has a lot of custom fabrication work that has been done to it, as well as an engine swap from a 1960s Jaguar that has Bosch fuel injection. Also has power seats, independent rear suspension, and tons of more crazy modifications. Asking $9,900 or best offer, or will trade even, or if you want to add cash for any cars or trucks. He's always specifically looking for 50s, 60s, and 70s classics. Okay guys, number 10 is not technically a street rod, but it's just such an awesome car I had to list it anyway. It's a 1948 Austin A40 gas or hot rod nostalgic dragster. Okay, this 1948 Austin was built for the Southern Outlaw Gassers Group. The car has a nasty 355 full roller motor, Hillborn mechanical injection on methanol. Transmission is a built Power Glide with an Ultra Bell Speedway axle, disc brakes, 9-inch rear end, ladder bar coil springs, full square tube chassis, and everything is all new all over. Needs a Lexan cut, a nut and bolt check, and your finishing touches. Car runs and drives and stops. Asking $17,500 or best offer. Okay guys, that wraps up this video. Thank you everyone for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to leave a comment on what your favorite car was that you had to get rid of and why. Until next time, see you in the videos.